That's a great member. That's a great member.
I told him I
Yes. They come to verify with their eyes or what they saw on the social media and the television.
Yes. This is part of the year. We started from here. Ayaka.
You can see for yourself the damage that they caused.
Doors to the last week.
Was it built on the canal?
No.
No.
Not at all.
It's not built on the canal.
No, not at all.
We can walk across and then see whether the canal is big enough. Maybe. Now they want to verify truly if the building was constructed on top of the canal. Oscar Dogu. You can see to yourself that the canal is very, very far away from the buildings. It's very clear.
Now that they've not even done the embankment.
And they're supposed to do embankment.
We did the embankment ourselves.
Yes. Government should do the embankment.
Exactly.
They've not done that.
But the line is distinct. The canal line is distinct. Clear? No building is on top of the canal.
Another one.
They coming governor. They coming governor.
We moved on.
This building is condemned by their own action.
By their own action.
This should go down.
I see the Balogun president has supported.
The Ajolo Fabi Alobundala. One of the Ajolo Halo. You can see to yourself the sitting president Senate with the good and Igbo.
Wash it back. Wash it back.
They leveled this building down. Two-story building, they put it down.
The gap to canal.
All this thing went down. All this line. There is a new construction.
No. They brought it down.
They brought it down.
Yeah, completely.
No, Oga. No. If there is another way, let's use another. Must not follow.
If I know Panobo start up, it went the mother, I draw on the Lagos State, not trade fair. Makanaga, what Jolo can be alone. When you kind of name, how Rajolo, I depend that by His grace. I want the Bonebe, the Bumunaya Geponante, in our sitting senator, Victor Umeh, Ojukwana Bobia, with the Okutendibo, H.E. Peter Obi. I don't know where you're in the Bojibri, Abaribe Nokia, not Kondozi.
Talako, como Talako, wájú la yẹ. The photo is on the back.
Yeah. One of the Ajolo had the alo.
Tola, let's go.
We are still going.
Yes. Man of fire now, just now. Let him be more. Shift the motor.
Hey, try this photo, come on.
Hey,
Go back.
who gave this photo?
They will come.
Yes. Look at them. Yes, this road will block through.
They know. They will do that. Honorable.
Let's move.
There's another build there. Plenty. Oka bukwana ganga media service ke wetero ni yene menu pasta yeni na ndi bochi biri nsalize ka bia na ha no ga kwụ munne fa maka ndị na-ada emekọ ọnụ na-ekwu ni Igbo nwere nwanne ni Igbo nwere nwanne ni Igbo nwere eze nwanne Igbo nwere eze Igbo nwekwa nwanne maka na ihe menu bo start atụrụ m n'anya H.E. Peter Obi no life na trade fair Victor Umeh no life na trade fair Abaribe no life na trade fair ndị ya bụ ekwu okwu ndị Igbo genti acha no the incoming governor of Lagos State under the Labour Party ọ nọkwa na trade fair I come president so I see Joe what about Honorable, it will not go see again. She's that. ebe anyị ga-echekwa wee ebe ndị obodo abịa alụ ajọ ọlụ ebe ndị obodo alụrụ ajọ ọlụ ebe alụrụ ajọ ọlụ alesi anyị anafe were gị jee n'ọfịa jee golu ndị Igbo developụ hechigagwa one of the ajọ ọlụ ndị obodo alụrụ na-ebi ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ no verse yeah. Oh, the ajolo. Oh, one of the ajolo. Hello, dear. In an economic battle, Honorable Gozi Chukwuka Mechebe, Nyawane Lady, the interact, Mirioma, Nepusentino, the present flowers. Yeah, to one for the Oscar Odogu Sport.
No reason. President, there is in Hanya for this one. No reason. On a canal. Because of approval.
No building here without approval from management board.
Do you have copies to show the media now?
Already I have shown you yesterday. We have copies. We would like to have the copies. We'll give it to you.
No, yes, because we have to do and then of course get the federal government to react because they themselves are the owners of this.
Yes.
Not the state government.
Not the state government.
The people who demolished it are from Lagos State government.
Yes.
Not from
The commissioner
from the federal government.
The commissioner of fiscal planning.
Fiscal planning.
Yes.
Lagos State government.
Lagos State.
So is that Obanekoro?
No, not Obanekoro.
Okay. Right?
Yeah. And they always took us on our way.
Did they write any letter?
Nothing.
Did not receive any communication from them before they came with their building.
They have done this before. There was a reference. Lodgman first came to this and locked the whole gate. 7 days. We partnered with them and they released it. But thinking that everything will be in order. Next is during the time of last year now, they really came here and met people, our task force, on their coming. The reaction when they saw that our task force was listening, they shot the tire of the executive director.
Right.
And left.
Is it director of the trade management board?
Yes.
They shot our tire.
They shot our tire. This time around,
What did the federal government do?
nothing.
This one they did. They brought the light.
Brought the lights.
The demolition.
That's why they demolished so many buildings. Let's go and see.
Odogwa Folonge. Atepe.
Yes.
Ajọ ọlụ ndị alụrụ ka na-emenekwa. Adres anyị. Adres. Ọ ka bụkwa dị ajọ ọrụ ndị alụrụ ka na-enene maka na The same thing.
They went inside. You can see that no Dubai so everything they went inside. They came in their lights. Just like when they have already cleared their goods. This man may count a lot of losses. Another one down there.
Was around years ago.
Obi nwere ego. Ke Obi dị ka Obi anyogo ogo. Ogo si na ndị Igbo nwekwa mmadụ kwa. Maka ekwu na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ. Mana ihe mere tata gosi na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ.
Megaya that place. Megaya. Easy. Easy.
Ogude de overfit. He's here. See to yourself.
This is money. It's why our things for us. Just let him
That's what you think is simply I will approve from federal government before you build any simple thing. Federal Minister of Work or Trade Fair Complaint Management Board. Trade Fair Complaint Management. Yes. The Federal Minister of Work. Yes. They work over there. Look, you are doing everything there through their own instruction. They are doing everything here through the instruction of management board, because they are the executive office of the federal government that is here, which are here since 1977. Because this place was unveiled in 1977. Our lease agreement is 50 years and 99 years. Yes. And what happened now? We are confused. Where are these people since 1977 to today, for instance, the 25th, which is about 8 years?
There hasn't been any legislation.
No claim, no disturbance. Anything you must do here, management board must know about it.
They want the management board saying about this now.
Management are still saying they are surprised. They don't have any pre-notice of that this thing is happening. But they said that they already invited the woman to come.
Who said that?
The commissioner.
Lagos State.
They invited the woman in two occasions.
Who is woman? Please.
That is the Mrs. Vara.
So what's the management board?
Yes.
What did he say about that?
He denied vehemently yesterday there was no invitation.
There was no invitation. And even when the ED was explaining to them that they don't have any rights to come here to mark any building or rather to demolish anything without her pre-notice, they went ahead and marked the
federal government
ED
for
office
that
In her presence.
Yes, in her presence.
I have a question. I spoke with the president about 40 people. He said you people they shot him on. Why you doing?
Yes.
And they shot someone on the leg too.
The person can call.
After that shooting of this thing, we find out this is something we cannot contain without going to court this thing. So we went to court. And even that court now, they have not been determined before they come for this one. We're in court with
in court. They still came.
Yes.
Went ahead.
They shot somebody. They shot somebody.
Yes.
Yesterday, the guy came and showed the.
The Polo president. Senti Baba. Somebody Nike. In where? Okay, can say. I'm going to know. I'm going to know. I'm going to know. Nwanne anyị na-aga ngarube ka ije gosigosi ndị nwanne anyị nwoke bụ HE Peter Obi with the Senator Victor Umeh and Senator Abaribe. Ajọ ọrụ ndị obodo abịa alụ ndị gbanyesi ego niile ndị anyị ga-azụ abịa alụcha ụlọ fetikpo mgbanwe laa na-ele nara ego fetikpo etikpo.
Side is blocked. Huh? Let people can come like this. Okay, side is blocked.
Yes.
You are right.
Much traffic this side on this side.
Okay, then let's walk down and enter the vehicle.
So go to the management side.
In which kuna go ata? Nego guy, they call me president.
Let the vehicles come. Let the vehicles come here. Let the vehicles come here. I'm
They call me governor and they see you. Bịa mmụọ.
Go one side.
Lụọ sí ẹ̀sọ̀ lụọ lụọ.
Boss.